Assalamualaikum. My name is Muamalat bin Bahudin. I will explain about a summary of the article. From the article, never trust those who say they can make rich in a day, published by New Straits Times. After the pandemic COVID-19, many business wants to restore their position, therefore causing scammers to take the opportunity to scam them. There are various types of scams such as parcel scams, income tax scams, credit card verification scams, and many more. This scam shows the scammers are trying hard to prove their position as a legitimate business person by proving their titles or perceived connections with some untouchable higher-ups. Usually, the scammers will claim that they have a way to generate income quickly using proper channel. For example, the author tells a story about a manufacturer of window frames that has finished his job and asks his payment, but the developer has no money and also has a debt with other company. The manufacturer made a decision to sue the developer. Even after won the case, he still hadn't gotten his money back. Another case when building contractor from Klang also was defamed by a large amount of money by a customer who refused to pay the debt using same tricks. From the narrative, there are many ways to avoid getting scammed. A lawyer recommends that if a person has a doubt about a company or partner, be sure to put that person to a personal bond or guarantee of their directors, or make sure the customer provides a security for payment like a letter of credits. It is better to stay away from a doubtful agreement if business partner doesn't agree.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fidas bin Muamalat from class 3C. Today I want to explain about opinion towards this issue and Malaysia's citizens. First, as Malaysia should be wished to make decision and make sure it's not easy to give our personal information to unknown parties, especially outside, because in the movement control under the eradicate the spread of COVID-19. The government has worked on various initiatives to help those infected financially. Among them is the withdrawal of EPS service and stimulus program and the like. Since the approach, many scammers began to take the opportunity to impersonate government agent and contact the public and ask for ID card number, bank account number, and TSC number. If it is true that the representation and government organization, the following information in the record and is only for your review. For this reason, as Malaysia should be careful in this scammer issue. If it does, contact the registered government directly instead of an agent.
My name is Muhammad Aminuddin bin Maswadi, DPH 202126432. As Malaysians should check the transaction or purchase information first, because every time you want to make a purchase, make sure to check your bank account first to ensure that the amount of the purchase is the same as that stated on sales page. After that, save proof of the purchase such as receipt, conversations on social apps, email, and website. This is especially important in the case of good not reaching the customer. If there is an unwanted problem, we can file a complaint with the police.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Nur Rashid bin Zarani, DPH 202125907. Today, I will talk about tips how to avoid getting scammed. The simplest solution to avoiding getting scammed is to be careful with whom you are doing business with. You need to know whether he can be trusted or not. If the scammer call you from a regular phone number rather than a company number, be cautious. You are being duped. Ask them to give you basic information about yourself. such as your full name or birthday. Normally, they don't even know your full name. That is one way to avoiding getting scammed by phone calls. Now, tips to avoid getting scammed from the contract business, such as someone to buy your products. First, you must fully trust him. Ask for his full name and ID number. If you fully trusted him, ask him for the deposit money first. Ask him to pay 50% of the product cost. Even if he run without paying the full price of the product, you still get 50% of the product. And next time, be more careful. A wise man once said, "Mistakes make us human. Don't run and learn from them." That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Karim Mustaqim bin Karazizi from DP3C. My number card matric is TPH 20212628. I will explain about the conclusion. From this situation, we know that there's no way you can be reached by someone immediately, because in our lifestyle now, they got a lot of scammers, especially in technology, so they can do anything with the ingenuity to fool us. Anything you want, firstly, must come with effort, because to be rich, there is not easier than what you see from the people that are already rich. We don't know what they already sacrificed their time and their life responsible to reach that level. Lastly, don't even try to trust anyone, even our own close friends, in anything about how to be rich quickly, increase your business immediately, and anything that consume your personal information, especially about your financial information. Hopefully in our next generation they will more aware in anything that will cause big loss to their business and their own safety. Thank you.